Here is how to create a Discord server on your mobile device. So first, open your Discord application, log into your specific account, and then after, tap on the plus icon from the bottom left corner of your screen. Tap on Create My Own in the top. Select either for club or community or for yourself and your friends. Now enter the server name. Tap on Create Server, which is highlighted in blue color, and you can also upload a profile picture if you want. And after creation, you'll have the option to invite people directly from Discord or share an invite link with your phone contacts. So tap on this icon over here to copy the invite link in your clipboard so that you can share it among your friends and family or in any chat. You'll also see the list of the friends and you can tap on invite to send them an invite to your Discord server. Once done, tap on done in the top right corner and you can now customize your server. Tap on the back arrow in the top left corner. Then tap on your server name in the top of the screen. Select the gear icon or the settings option to access your server settings. And here you can go ahead and add profile picture to your server. Go to overview, change your server name, and go through other different options and settings and set it according to your preference. And when you tap on the Discord name in the top, you'll get the option to create a new channel or create a category. Let's go ahead and create the category for games. Tap on create in the top right, and you can tap and hold onto that specific category and create a new channel out of that, like text, voice, or phone. Let's go ahead and select the text channel type. And you can also choose to make your channel private or public. If you toggle this option on, your channel will be private. Tap on next in the top right corner. And you can add members or roles if you want, or you can skip this option and you'll be done. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.